everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my secret on how to stop hair fall. So before I start, I would like to say thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe and gave this video a big thumbs up so you can see more of me. Now I get a lot of comment regarding hair fall. Even I did some of the DIY remedies in the past to reduce hair fall, but of course it's not everybody's cup of tea to get all the ingredients, prepare a mask and then apply it. And also DIY remedies take a lot of time and patience to give a visible result. So today I'm going to talk about these three products from the brand Pilgrim, which are equally effective and also sulfate, paraben and cruelty free. These are also FDA approved and free from 20 toxic ingredients. Also another thing that needs to be highlighted is that it is for both men and women. It suits all hair types and also it is made in India. Alright, so before starting, let me show you guys how my hair is. So after watching the result, you can make up your own mind whether you have to buy this product or not. So let's just begin into this video. Alright, so beginning with our first product, which is this Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island Sulfate Free Shampoo. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It has argan oil, camellia and white lotus, and it is for all hair type. And inside this cardboard box you will get your shampoo ka bottle. So this is like normal plastic ka bottle with a cap. So it has a very compact packaging and it is very travel friendly and it is very convenient to use. You just have to open this cap and you are like ready to use this product. And talking about the fragrance of this one, so it has very mild, like sweet kind of fragrance. So I really like the smell of this one. It is not very sharp, not very tingly. So it is very mild, sweet fragrance. And yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. And let's just move towards the application of this product.
Alright, to get the maximum result out of this, मैंने अपने hair पे oil नहीं apply किया है. So the first step is obviously to rinse my hair and I'm going to use this shampoo. So ये बहुत ही अच्छे से आपकी hair को nourish करता है and आपकी hair को बहुत ही gently clean करता है. It has argan oil, camellia and white lotus. तो argan oil जो है आपकी hair को soft बनाता है, nourish करता है and also it promotes hair growth. Camellia जो है आपकी hair की strength को increase करता है, आपकी नेचुरल शाइन जो होती है हेयर को उसको इन्हांस करता है एंड ऑल्सो इट फाइट्स हेयर फॉल, वाइल द वाइट लोटस रिड्यूसेस स्प्लिट एंड्स एंड इट एड्स वॉल्यूम टू योर हेयर. सो मैं इससे अपने हेयर को बहुत ही जेंटली अच्छे से क्लीन करके एंड देन आई विल रिंस माई हेयर विथ वाटर एंड ऑल्सो मैं जितना एक्सेस वाटर है हेयर से उसे भी निकाल दूँगी सो दैट इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर अस टू मूव टूवर्ड्स आवर सेकेंड स्टेप, दैट इज़ टू अप्लाई द मास्क.
Alright, so after shampoo, here comes our second step, that is hair mask. And this is how the Pilgrim Argan Oil hair mask looks like. It has white lotus and camellia and this comes in this kind of like square cardboard box. If you have watched my previous Pilgrim video, you have seen like जो body scrub था उसका भी packaging ऐसे ही similar था. Once you open this cardboard box, you will get your tub. It has the like hair mask and also one thing more, you will also get a wooden spoon for the application. So this is how the tub of the hair mask looks like. Once you open this, you will get a white lid. So इससे क्या होता है आपका hair mask protected है, like ये पूरे इस ढक्कन में नहीं लगेगा. So I really like this concept. And once you open this white lid, you will get your hair mask. Also the fragrance of this one is very refreshing. It has like flower like fragrance. So I really like the fragrance of this one. And also it is very creamy and very easy to apply. And you will get the idea of the consistency and texture of this one in the application. So let's just move towards the application of this one.
Alright, so this hair mask has same ingredients as that of the shampoo. So to apply this hair mask, मैंने अपने hair से जितना भी excess water था उसको remove कर दिया है. And now I'm going to apply this hair mask on the lengths of my hair. Ideally you can apply this from the roots of your hair to the tips, but I'm only applying this on my lengths. Also इस hair mask को apply करने के लिए it is very important that you apply this on your clean scalp. And now I'm going to leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes and after that I'm going to rinse this off with water.
Alright, so once my hair is all clean and nourished, here comes our star ingredient, which is this advanced hair growth serum from Pilgrim. So Pilgrim ने अभी recent में अपने 5 new serums launch किए हैं and this is one of those serums. So it is called advanced hair growth serum. It has green tea एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. एंड इसकी जो पैकेजिंग है वो इस तरह की एक प्रॉपर पैकेजिंग है. आई रियली लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ पैकेजिंग. So you can have your controlled amount using this dropper. Talking about the texture of this one, so it has a very water-like texture. So it is not very sticky and not very thick. So you can use this on a regular basis. I really like to use this every day at the night time on my hair क्योंकि night time में ज़्यादा अच्छे से work करता है. And I really like to apply this one directly on my scalp using the dropper. And I just like to massage this into my scalp. And it तुरंत absorb हो जाता है. It doesn't take like a lot of time to get absorbed into the scalp. So yeah, I really like this thing of this serum.
It has 3% Redensil and 4% Anagain. This is a plant-based serum and not a chemical based, so you have to apply this for at least 90 days continuously to see a visible result.
Talking about the fragrance, so I really can't get any fragrance out of this. So it has a super mild fragrance जो कि आती ही नहीं है. So it is really nice. आपको ये बिल्कुल irritate नहीं करेगा and आप बहुत ही easily अपने scalp पे इसको apply करके रहने दे सकते हैं. So talking about the usage and frequency of this product, so it is really easy to use. You just have to use this dropper and you have to partition your hair and आपको इसको सीधे अपने like scalp पे apply करना है. You don't have to apply this on your hair. I like to use this every night. This works like wonders for my hair. I like to apply this every night. ये मेरे हेयर को बिल्कुल भी ऑयली या कुछ भी नहीं करता है. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस थिंग. आप इसको डेली यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग.
Alright guys, so here is the final result. As you can see, my hair look much more voluminous. They were also much more healthy and shiny as compared to before. Also each and every strand of my hair was apart. मेरे hair बिल्कुल भी आपस में फंस नहीं रहे थे. They were totally frizz free and also I like how my hair feels. I would highly recommend you all to try these 3 products from the brand Pilgrim, and also you can use my coupon code to get discount. And yeah guys, this is the result.
Alright guys, so all the ingredients are mentioned with the source on the Pilgrim की website and I will link that down below for you guys. And also you can head to the website for more exciting offers. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Do comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.